Welcome to our daily vlog. Today we're working on this Dodge Avenger 2013. The sun has damaged the headlights here. It has completely faded from the top portion and it's spreading down. After we do the sanding steps, we'll do the compound and polish. So without further ado, let's start protecting the paint first. We'll wet sand all of this to remove all this oxidation. Now this is our last one, 3000. And now we're gonna use this little rotary polisher. Look at that. And there you have it, a restore headlight. Now from here, you can apply wax, you can apply a sealant, you can apply a ceramic coating, but the sun is gonna do its job again and it's gonna get yellow. What we like to do is we apply a paint protection film on top of it so we can lock this in for up to 10, count them, 1, 2, 10 years. So now the paint protection film is the sacrificial layer on top of the plastic. So this way when the sun does hit, it's getting blocked by the paint protection film. All right guys, so we're done. Now the headlight is protected. It's locked in, it's secure. It's not gonna get yellow again. And at the same time, it's protecting it from road debris, from bug splatter, all that stuff. So it's a perfect way to restore the headlight and to protect it. Hopefully the tips helped you out in case you want to do it yourself, or if you want to take it to a professional and then get it done, you know how to do that. So get a hold of us and we'll be happy to help you out. We'll be able to do this same exact thing for your faded headlight. Call us 786-370-7838.